Okay, now in this video what I want to look at is color. I have bumped the color up to the maximum, so to see that there would be more saturation on the pictures here, and even on this box. This box should be coming in pretty red at this point. So I would like to take a look at that and see what that looks like. Also, I'm looking at the skin color that I have. In the picture, the video I just saw a few minutes ago, my skin was beige. Maybe it has to do with the fact that I'm standing right over these lights. It could be, you know. What if I turn this light off? Maybe, you know, maybe that's the scenario that I have to do. It's like wherever I am, you know. Maybe I don't know. We'll take a look at it. We'll have to learn how to light me the correct way, because I know that I'm not lit right.